Victoria Queen announcement 1858. After soldiers' revolution in India that was led to abolition of East India Company administration in our country. So that was led to introduction of British government directly in our country. So British Queen directly announced to form to East India Company administration in our country. According to this announcement, so Victoria Queen announced that this is like Magna Carta of Indian citizens for liberty and freedom of speech. So that was explained by British Queen. There is possible to creation of Indian State Secretary. According to this Act, Indian State Secretary, so that was formed by the uh, British government. He is responsible to the British Parliament. So there is 15 members advisors working for him, and they are working for secretary regarding Indian administration. He is working in Britain on those days. And Britishers introduced centralized systematic administrative system according to this act. According to this act, first Governor General renamed as Viceroy. First Viceroy of India is Lord Canning. Lord Canning. After that, so Viceroy administration started in our country. This act was called as Good Governance of India. According to T.B. Macaulay, so this is formation of monarchical government in India. This statement made by T.B. Macaulay. So Britishers administration directly involved in India according to British Queen announcement. According to this announcement, they created Indian State Secretary. So regarding Indian administrative system, there is provision. So 15 members of council are appointed to give suggestions for Indian State Secretary. He may reside in London, and he is responsible for the House of the Parliament, British Parliament. So because of this British Queen announcement, India was inherent in British administration, British Empire. So they are collectively responsible to the British, and also Britishers they can made laws for the Indian citizens and Britain Parliament because of Victoria Queen announcement that was treated as Magna Carta of Indian citizens for liberty. It is statement made by British Queen, and it given